Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be doing a song reaction right now. A new song from RRR has released and this song is called Janani, and this I am going to be reacting to the Hindi one, and I think I will watch the Telugu one also. But the first one I'm going to listen to is the Hindi version. So yes, let's just not delay this any further. Let's react to this song. This is already trending on YouTube Music. So Yo, I'm guessing then it's a really nice song, of course. Cream, at least whatever songs they have released, they have been amazing. So yes, let's watch Janani. And here we go. Spectacular consummation that Okay. Oh, this is gonna be an experience, huh? The soul anthem of Anand. Okay.
प्रिय भारत जननी जननी
मगर
सरोजनी, मेरा जंग ही मेरा वजूद है और तुम उसी का हिस्सा।
Oh.
दुश्मन के अंत के काल का बजता मृदंग होगा। माये मृदंग
Oh.
जल तरंग लोरी मेरी है बनी जननी
Oh, Varun Grover wrote the lyrics. Amazing. Amazing. Did you like, I'm pretty sure everybody who watched the song for the first time got freaking goosebumps. Wow. Almost teared up, huh? You almost teared up. Let me just open up the Telugu one also. Janani video song, yeah, Telugu. Wait, before I move on to that, the chorus, of course, the main singer is Karim, but the chorus is also performed by G. Jeevan Babu, and he's mixed and mastered this also. Just amazing. Let's just listen to the Telugu one as well. Wow. Actually got the chills, huh, guys? Okay. It's going to be like a full experience with the music, visuals, everything, acting. Oh wow. Even the visuals chosen for this video song are fantastic.
प्रिय भारत जननी
Dear Bharat Janani. Yes.
जननी
మరి మీరు
సరోజిని నేనంటే నా పోరాటం అందులో నువ్వు సగం
That scene of that kid getting shot.
धूळि तिलकं तो भारं प्रकाशमवनि निष्कळङ्कचरितं नासु प्रभातमवनि जननी
Camera work. The scene. Oh my god.
जननी
Wow. Stop this. Wow. Soulful, inspiring, a little sorrowful. I mean, it's a combination of all of these things. For me, this song, just at the first listen, it's a combination of all of these things. Wow. Like I said before, like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people got the chills after listening to this. And just the part where just that's the small part where just Cream says Janani with that alap just elevates the song to an unbelievable level. And you can just see so much of thought. I can totally understand how much thought has been put like by S.S. Rajamouli into looking into every aspect, like attention to details. Basically, this is what I call attention to details, and it's not just in terms of set design or costume design or how the look and feel of the movie is going to be, because music is, for at least in our industry, the music is definitely the soul, of the film. And for a magnum opus like this, I mean, imagine the entire movie is good and the music is just bad. Like half the experience just shatters over there. And I think now I have complete full faith that every song from this film is going to be really good, because whatever songs they released, they have been amazing. And not just that they are good, they have variety also. You have something like Natu Natu as well, and then you have Janani in the same album, in the same movie, and it just completely captures the emotion of the moment. You can just understand that when a song like Natu Natu is going to appear, what is going to be the atmosphere in the theaters and the movie. And when this song, probably, I think this is a song which is going to play in the background. This is what I'm guessing, that this is going to play in the background when a very, very serious turn of events are going to happen in the film. So the emotion that will capture, the moment that it's going to capture, I think it's going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect. I thoroughly enjoyed the song. Beautiful song. And this just makes me happy that after quite some time, we're getting good albums in a film. Because believe it or not, the hope is almost gone. Hope is almost gone to expect good albums from films. There used to be a time when I was in school where I used to look forward to buying cassettes before the release of the films, to wait that, okay, this movie is releasing, how are the songs going to be? Because cassette sales and CD sales were such a big part of the profitability. Now things have changed, so but that does not mean that you're not going to deliver a good album in a film. So at least somewhere I can see like a ray of hope, light at the end of the tunnel, I feel I can see. So yes, a beautiful song, beautifully mastered and mixed, so mellow. And the instrumentals that are used over here, just fantastic. With every material of RRR that is coming out, the expectations are just rising. I don't want to have such high expectations. Honestly, I don't want to. When I go for the film, I'm just gonna, I'm going to manage my expectations first, because otherwise it ruins the experience. I feel it has happened for me in most of the cases. It's happened with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna manage my expectations and go into the theaters like with a blank slate, hopefully. So yes, that was the reaction to Janani, both Hindi and the Telugu version, from the upcoming magnum opus RRR, releasing on 7 Jan. And yes, I will be ending the video here. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, guys, and I've come till the end. Share in your thoughts what this song made you feel in the comments below, and I will see you soon on my next video now. Bye!